how to add first name in constant contact. So first, go to their website, and then just click on create here at the top right. Then here, just click on send an email. Okay, now here you can either start an email from blank, or you can just select one of the templates here. So example, I'll just select one template here, this one. So I'll just hover and mouse over it, and then just click on select. Okay, now here, in order for you to add a first name, what you can do here is click on add a text. So let's just add one block of text here. Just put it at the top. So this is just an example, okay? So for example, I'll just delete this first, and make sure that you've clicked your block text, and then just click on insert here, then click on greeting tag. Okay, now from here you can customize your greeting. Instead of saying hello, you can type in hi, and then the first name, make sure this is first name, and then as you can see here, this will automatically insert the name of the contact. And then as for the default greeting, you can adjust this, you can edit this as well. So I'll just leave it as is, and then just click on insert, and then now let's see the preview. So whenever your contact receive your email, so what they're going to see is the first name of that contact. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.